Respected Tala Tala, PA Imba, the village elders, the president and the members of the Balevuto Youth Club, ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters, Bulavinaka, and a very good morning to you all. At the outset, I would like to thank the village elders and the members of the youth club for the Yangona ceremony, Naka. I'm pleased to be here to hand over youth empowerment grant materials to the members of the Balevuto Youth Club. As you will recall that some months back, I was here in the same hall, whereby we have discussed about the youths of this village and what the Ministry for Youth and Sports can do for the youths of Balevuto, and what the youths of Balevuto can do for themselves and for their village. So the idea that came up during the Talanua session was youth farm. And there was a request from the youths of Balevuto that they need assistance in terms of doing a farm. And I assured that day that within few months' time we will be back here with the assistance that you have asked for. And this is the day. And as Tala Tala has rightly said during his prayer, that this is the day that you were waiting for. This was the day for the Balevuto Youth Club members. So firstly, I would like to thank the village elders and the members of the Matangali for giving a share of land to the Balevuto Youth Club in the support of the youth's initiative to venture into commercial agriculture. Through this program, my ministry ensures that we will continue to encourage our youths to work in partnership with the community and the government, using the available resources to create employment opportunities in this village. Taking the correct approaches and sustainable practice, I'm sure that this farming venture will assist many families and the community of Balevuto in terms of food security and employment for our youths. It is my hope that the materials handed over today will assist the Balevuto Youth Club in engaging the youths in farming as a business. And therefore, I urge you to utilize the land available to you, make good use of the tools and fencing materials, and engage your members in this initiative for the betterment of Balevuto community. As you all are aware, that the COVID-19 pandemic has changed our lifestyle, the way that we are living in. Now we have to adjust ourselves in many areas. And in some areas, maybe we have learned some lesson as well. So this is the time for us to work together as a nation and as communities and help each other and grow together. At this juncture, I would also like to request all of you, those who have got smartphones, to download the Care Fiji app. By doing so, you are going to help Fiji in our campaign against COVID-19. This app ensures the safety of our loved ones as it assists Ministry of Health and Medical Services in contact tracing, preventing a major community outbreak. And I must say here that you as a citizens of this beloved nation, it should be your responsibility to download this app because it's going to help everyone. We want to show the world that we are a safe country. We have got mechanisms in place. If there is an outbreak, we already have that mechanism in place. And that is if you're going to download the app. We want to make sure that the world sees us as a safe country. They also see us that there is mechanisms in place. And when the border opens, when they come, they will be secured to move around in our beloved nation. Not only that, but also to trade. I would also like to thank sincerely those of you who have already downloaded this app. So please, those of you who have got a smartphone, and if you have not done that, please download. This is for the betterment of not only the nation, but for all of us. This is simply just to contact tracing, that's all, full stop. So I asked the community of Balevuto this morning here to please download the KFEG app. Now coming back to the program, we all know that access to adequate food is right. Please be assured that the Fijian government is committed to increase the domestic food production to ensure our communities are food secure and our people eat locally grown food. We are not only doing this because of the pandemic, we are doing this because the Fiji First government knows and recognizes the need for investing in the education, training, and establishment of youth farms is becoming ever more important as the challenges associated with adopting sustainable, climate-smart production methods and linking up with marketing opportunities in modern value chains are growing. The other thing I would like to say, that let's not think that because there's a pandemic, that's why we have to go on farming. No. Your elders, I want to talk to the youths directly. Your elders are sitting here. They have done farming in their time. They worked hard. I know for myself. And therefore I urge the youths of Balevuto to follow the footsteps of your elders in this community. Ladies and gentlemen, I therefore encourage you to have faith, especially our elders, to have faith in our young people and provide them the guidance and support and also the opportunities. With these few words, ladies and gentlemen, I encourage you to continue your support to the Balevuto Youth Club, and I wish them all the best. Thank you and good night.
Relax,